Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something that's a little less flashy than a new flagship smartphone or a cutting-edge projector, but still super important in everyday work and home setups. We're talking about the Brother MFC-J805DW XL Extended Print INKvestmentTank Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer. Yeah, the name is long, but there's a reason for it. This printer is built around value, convenience, and long-term use. And honestly, it might be one of the most practical purchases you can make if printing is a regular part of your workflow. Now, let's talk about why this printer is worth paying attention to. First off, the big headline feature here is the INKvestmentTank system. Brother has been leaning into this for a while, and the idea is simple: you buy a printer, and instead of getting a starter cartridge that barely prints a few pages before you're out of ink, you actually get up to 2 years of ink right in the box. That means less worrying about constantly buying cartridges, less downtime when you need to print something important, and way more cost efficiency over the long run. And speaking of efficiency, this thing is designed with families, students, and small offices in mind. You're getting an all-in-one machine, so not just printing, but scanning, copying, and even faxing if you still need that functionality. It's compact, it comes in a clean white finish that looks way more modern than some of those clunky old beige printers, and it doesn't feel like it's going to dominate your desk space. Let's talk about performance. The Brother MFC-J805DW XL can handle both black and white and color printing, and it's pretty good at producing sharp, detailed documents. Whether you're printing homework, reports, presentations, or even the occasional photo, it's consistent. The Duplex printing feature is also built in, which means automatic double-sided printing. That's great for saving paper, which is both eco-friendly and cost-saving in the long run. One thing that impressed me while testing is the wireless and mobile device printing. You don't always want to hook up your laptop or plug in cables, especially now, when almost everything is moving wireless. This printer supports mobile printing through AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and Brother's own iPrint and Scan app. Basically, whether you're on iOS, Android, or desktop, you can hit print straight from your device without extra hassle. The print speeds are what I'd call efficient enough for its category. You're not buying this to replace a high-speed enterprise office machine, but for home or small office needs, it keeps up. Think about printing multi-page reports or a batch of school assignments, it's going to handle those smoothly. Another area worth pointing out is maintenance. Inkjet printers can sometimes be a headache with clogged nozzles or ink running out too quickly. But the extended print system here really changes that. The included ink supply lasts way longer than traditional cartridges, and when you do eventually need to replace ink, the cost per page stays very low compared to the competition. Brother designed this to be one of those printers you can rely on without constantly stressing about upkeep. The scanner and copier functions are straightforward but handy. The quality is good enough for digitizing documents, making quick copies, or sending off scanned work for email or record keeping. And again, for people working from home or even students needing to scan assignments or ID documents, this fits right in. Now, design-wise, this is one of the things I always care about with tech products, even if it's a printer. The MFC-J805DW XL in white looks clean and minimal. It has a simple control panel with a small display, tactile buttons for quick navigation, and just enough functionality on the front to make it practical without overcomplicating things. You're not dealing with a huge touchscreen or extra frills that sometimes make printers harder to use than they should be. It's straightforward, reliable, and gets the job done. Connectivity is also flexible. You've got Wi-Fi, USB, and even Wi-Fi Direct if you want to skip the router. So no matter how you want it connected to your devices, you've got options. And here's one thing I don't think enough people mention when it comes to printers: noise levels. Nobody wants a machine that sounds like a tractor when you're trying to print something late at night. The Brother MFC-J805DW XL